Hi, my name is Alex Femia, and this is my digital learning guide for commerce students. I'm hoping that by watching this, you will understand how the use of mobile technology can benefit people studying accounting at university, how mobile learning assists with information transmission, and finally, understand the theories of social constructivism and situated learning. Before we move on, we need to understand my cultural setting. I'm a 19-year-old second-year accounting student who was born and raised in Perth. Because Perth is a highly developed country, I've had significant exposure to mobile technology compared to developing countries. I've also noticed the growing use of mobile technology in education, with many different devices such as smartphones, laptops, and wearables all being introduced. The global trend in mobile education is that devices with high affordances have low affordability and vice versa. Affordances are defined as the qualities or properties of an object that define its possible uses or make it clear how it can or should be used, where affordability is a person's ability to purchase a mobile device and its features. The first educational approach we will look at is social constructivism. This was developed by Lev Vygotsky and states that knowledge is considered as situated and is a product of the activity, context, and culture in which it is formed and utilized. It involves constructing one's own knowledge from one's experiences, meaning the learner has prior knowledge and experiences as a basis for building new understanding. This approach belongs on the right-hand side of the continuum, meaning there is active engagement with others. The second educational approach is situated learning. Lev argues that learning is situated, that is, as it normally occurs, learning is embedded within activity, context, and culture. An essential component of this is social interaction and collaboration. It is usually unintentional and must be conducted within an authentic or real-world context. Now we will have a look at these 5 uses of mobile devices for commerce students. The first is an ebook. Ebooks are readable on mobile devices and may be digitized versions of what were originally hard copy print books, or they may have been designed as digital books from the start. Advantages of ebooks for commerce students include being able to carry multiple books on one device, enlarging images and text and searching for text, defining words from the book, and highlighting and adding notes onto the page. They can also be accessed on any mobile device and can include videos and animations. Ebooks are a form of situated learning, as it is often embedded within the learning environment. Another use of mobile devices are QR codes. QR codes function as hard links between objects in the real world and digital data. They are able to store URLs, text, images, videos, and much more. These are not currently used in commerce, however, I could possibly see them being introduced to books to link tables and numbers to financial statements where they are derived from. QR codes are a form of situated learning as they allow real-world objects to be linked with information. If you would like to explore these more, please pause the video and watch the YouTube link. Educational apps are small pieces of software which are downloaded from the internet and have specific and limited functionality. Productive apps involve quizzes, puzzles, and games which can be behaviorist-style questions, meaning correct answers are reinforced by a stimulus. Generic apps are more creative and not subject-specific. These allow learning to occur anywhere and for work to be collaborative, as you can share work on apps like Evernote. This promotes the theory of social constructivism. Polls can take place in the form of online surveys. Polling is essentially a way of making presentations and teaching more interactive by allowing audience responses and comments to be quickly and easily gathered, aggregated, and displayed. This enhances social constructivism and situated learning as it makes the classes more interactive with students and teachers. I have used Socrative in commerce lectures before and found that the advantages of it included creating a feedback loop for educators, assisting in student-to-student interaction, giving instant responses, and being able to answer anonymously. Finally, we will discuss mind maps. A mind map is a diagram for representing tasks, words, concepts, or items linked to and arranged around a central concept or subject using a non-linear graphical layout that allows the user to build an intuitive framework around a central concept. I have used this when working on commerce assignments and found it is great for collaborative work and all the information is viewable on one page, as noted by Dernberger. This promotes social constructivism and information transmission, as you can collectively work on a mind map with classmates and share knowledge with each other. I got feedback from 2 of my peers for this presentation. Marcus said that my presentation could be more interactive and visually appealing, so I responded to this by adding in a video link and some extra pictures. Luke suggested that I add references directly after I quoted them, so that is what I did. Thank you for watching this presentation.